Oh, hi there. I don't know if you remember me, but I'm Jennifer, also known as Thrift Generation. Where have I been, you ask? There's only two words that can describe anything, and that is life happens. So, it's good to be back. Doesn't mean I'm going to be back forever, because I say I'm going to do things, and then life happens, and that stuff doesn't happen. So, today, we are going to unbox many fun boxes. When did I order these? Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking 6 months to a year ago. I can't remember exactly what day I ordered them. That will not all be in this one video, however. I'm probably going to space it out a little bit. You know, what's the word? Intrigue, not intrigue.
Hesitation, not hesitation. Oh my god.
The anticipation. I think that's what I'm going for. Anyway, this is probably not going to be very edited either, because, you know, it's been a while for that too, and I'm way out of touch with that. So, let's just pick one and go, shall we? I am still reselling. I have not stopped that. I did go on vacation for a little bit, but then I turned it back on, and now I'm in the middle of, you know, inventory and all that fun stuff. All that jazz. Ooh, it has a date on it. Let's see. Let's see when this is. Okay. This was ordered on February 8th, 2023. And here it is, December 21st, 2023. Here's the beautiful paper. Are we still doing that? Are we still showing the paper? It's been so long. I don't even know. I'm going to close that knife before I hurt myself. Alright, here we go. Oh. I do have ulterior motives in doing this on the 21st of December. Hence that, you know, Christmas is a few days away. And who knows, maybe I'll find some last minute gifts in here. Anyway, first up, holy bag. This feels very this feels Vera Bradley-ish. And look at there. Vera Bradley. It is the large duffel Pixie Blooms. Retails for $85. That's not bad. It's a cute little bag. I just a cloth bag. I feel like this is a bag that you put inside another bag. I don't know. Anyway. Next we have 2 left feet mistletoe's slipper socks. Life's a trip. That's what it says. And they're tripping because it's 2 left feet. Oh, I get it. One size fits most. Does have the grippies on the bottom. I don't know. These might be a keeper. Next we have a Lululemon Light Lock Scrunchie. Ooh. It's pink and it's a scrunchie. I don't think I'll be needing this with my do. Next we got the Book Club Chunky Chain. Glasses, chain, / your new best friend. Thanks for nothing. It says thanks for nothing on the back here. What are you? In, what's AUD? New Zealand? In New Zealand it's $30 and I don't know. Austria AUD. I don't know. Well, it's $20. Glasses, chain / your new best accessory. The Book Club. Yo, I have no idea what this is. Is it just a necklace? Is it? Oh, I think you put your glasses on it. It's got that little thing there, so you can put your glasses on it so you don't lose them while you're reading your book. That's my wild guess. That's my guess, and I'm sticking to it. Alright. Next, we have... Oh, these are Thredup Fun boxes, if you didn't know. They are released whenever they feel like it. I have no idea if the cost has risen or anything. And there's like 10 to 12 items in it, and it's all random stuff, and some of it's great and some of it can be not so great. But anyway, here we go. Buckingham Palace. And it has a royal corgi. Who has a corgi? They need this. That's cute. We got some Per hosiery. Medium large black ladies ribbed microfiber tights. If you hear a humming in the background, we're in my garage of my new house. This will be where my photo tent goes eventually. Yeah, so medium large retails for $7. Next, we got another bag. This feels not very leathery. This feels fake leathery. Universal thread. Yep. Non-leather material. Called it. And this is Target 2018. Cute little zipper on inside, little pocket. It's kind of got, it's like a green sagey color. Yeah. Next we have some glasses. What kind of glasses do we have? We have it's blue marble, and it's called I don't know. I'm not even gonna try that. Oh no. Is this backwards? I haven't messed with my camera in so long, I don't even know. Dynamic Duo, and it is the blue marble. Might have to keep this for my daughter because she just dropped a bomb on me the other day that she had to go sit in the front of the class because she can't see the board for weeks. And she just now told me. Kids. Alright, we got some 2 bras here. Ooh, they're wireless. Ah! A little bit of padding in there. These are Hurley. Alright. Retail for $48. Wire-free bra. What size are we? What size are we? 36B. I may have to try these on. My daughter is now 3 years old. This might be TMI for some, but the nursing bras are super comfortable, and that's all I have. So, okay, this feels kind of small. Not small, soft. It's got. We have a tag. Do we have a tag? We don't. Okay, so it is a scarf. It's got some tiger print on it. Oh, we do have a tag. It's tiny. Let's see. Am I coming out? See, I'm out of it. I'm out of this. It is 100% acrylic. Made in PRC. Here's the print on it. Got little polka dots. And then, have I even been showing this? I don't even know. It's been so long, guys. I feel like those are big eyebrows. Are those slippers? Wait. Slippers? Eyebrows with sunglasses, you know? I feel like this is one of those ink blot things that it could be whatever you're... Is it different this way? See, now it's droopy eyes. And then you have more dots. And then we have zebra. I thought it was tiger, but well, if you turn it over, it's tiger. Zebra? Tiger. So it can be whatever you want it to be. Anyway, not a big scarf person.
Recap and count, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Universal thread, 4. Glasses, 5. Socks, 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11.
11 items. So that's more than what is advertised. One down. 8 to go.